Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Christiane, a Thermomix USA consultant, and today I'll be making boiled pasta in our Thermomix TM6. Alright, so let's start cooking. We're going to go ahead and go to our boiled pasta recipe, or you could do it manually if you remember the steps. Press start cooking, and it's asking me to put in 40 ounces of water on our lid here. And now it's just going to go ahead and heat up the water for us. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my pasta into the top here. And hit next. And we're going to set it for 11 minutes because that's what's on the package. Okay. Okay, our pasta is done. Let's take a peek. And there you have your boiled spaghetti. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message.